Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic operating system. So let's get started. What is the primary goal of an operating system? The correct answer is option B. To manage computer resources and provide a user interface. Which of the following is defined as a program in execution? The correct answer is option A, process. What is the kernel of an operating system? The correct answer is option C, the core part of the OS that manages system resources and hardware. In the context of process management, what does context switching refer to? The correct answer is option D, the process of saving the state of a CPU and loading a new state for a different process. How does the first in first out FIFO page replacement algorithm function? The correct answer is option A. It replaces the oldest page that was brought into memory. Belady's anomaly is a phenomenon where increasing the number of page frames results in an increase in page faults. This occurs in which algorithm? The correct answer is option B, FIFO, first in first out. Which Kaufman condition for deadlock describes a situation where a process is holding at least one resource and waiting to acquire additional resources held by others? The correct answer is option C, hold and wait. The banker's algorithm is primarily used in operating systems for which purpose? The correct answer is option D, deadlock avoidance. Which technique allows the execution of processes that are not completely in memory? The correct answer is option A, virtual memory. A logical address is generated by which component of the system? The correct answer is option B, CPU. Which type of fragmentation occurs when memory is divided into fixed-size blocks and a process does not fill the entire block? The correct answer is option C, internal fragmentation. In Unix-like systems, what is the primary purpose of the fork system call? The correct answer is option D, to create a new child process. In round-robin, RR, CPU scheduling, the performance is heavily dependent on the choice of. The correct answer is option A, time quantum. A binary semaphore is a synchronization tool that can have only which values? The correct answer is option B, 0 and 1. What is thrashing in an operating system? The correct answer is option C, when the system spends more time swapping pages than executing instructions. Which CPU scheduling algorithm is theoretically optimal because it results in the minimum average waiting time? The correct answer is option D, shortest job first, SJF. What is the main objective of multiprogramming? The correct answer is option A, to maximize CPU utilization by always having a process ready to run. What is a trap in the context of an operating system? The correct answer is option B, a software-generated interrupt caused by an error or user request. Which mechanism allows I/O devices to transfer blocks of data directly to or from main memory without continuous CPU intervention? The correct answer is option C, Direct Memory Access, DMA. What does the acronym PCB stand for in operating systems? The correct answer is option D, Process Control Block. Which type of operating system guarantees that critical tasks are completed within a strictly defined time limit? The correct answer is option A, Hard Real-Time OS. What is the shell in an operating system? The correct answer is option B, an interface between the user and the kernel. What is the purpose of the dirty bit, modify bit in a page table? The correct answer is option C, to indicate if the page has been modified since it was loaded into memory. In which scheduling type can a process be interrupted and move to the ready state even if it has not finished its execution? The correct answer is option D, preemptive scheduling. In RAID storage, what does Level 0 RAID 0 provide? The correct answer is option A, disk striping without parity or redundancy. What is a major disadvantage of the shortest job first, SJF, scheduling algorithm? The correct answer is option B. It can lead to starvation of long-running processes. What is the function of the translation look-aside buffer, TLB? The correct answer is option C, to serve as a fast associative cache for page table entries. A critical section is a segment of code in which the correct answer is option D, shared resources are accessed and should not be accessed by multiple processes simultaneously. What does spooling stand for and what is its purpose? The correct answer is option A, simultaneous peripheral operations online, used to overlap I/O of one job with computation of others. What is meant by the degree of multiprogramming? The correct answer is option B, the number of processes currently in memory. Thank you for watching.